If you want to send emails that truly converts and make money for you, you need to hook the right people, tell them a story, and then show them what you have to offer. And this is always done in three easy steps: using a hook, telling a story, and then giving them an offer. So let me dive into the details to understand each one of these steps one by one. So let me start with the first step, which is hook. So what is hook? A hook is used to seize people's attention and convince them to listen to your story and perceive your offer. Hooks are typically short statements that attract people to continue reading what you have to say. And to keep your audience engaged, your hook must connect with them on a personal and emotional level. So let's take an example. Let's say your target audience is people who want to lose weight. Then a great hook that will grab their attention with an emotional touch would be, do you want to lose your extra weight without feeling hungry all the time? Great. So now that we have got the hook, now let's move on to the second step, which is the story. Now the story is the most crucial part of your email, and it's called a story because that's exactly what it is. And this step includes telling a story that will certainly connect with your audience, perhaps even more personally than the hook itself, and will eventually lead your audience to your offer. And story is the ancient and proven power that connects a business with humans and entices them to take action. So let's take an example to understand this step even better. So let's say your target audience is once again the people who want to lose weight. So a great story would be, it all started at the far end of 2021, and it was impossible for me to look in the mirror and see myself. And the situation was always embarrassing. As a matter of fact, I was scared if I could survive for the next 6 to 7 years, and my efforts were in vain because I knew it would require a lot of hard work. So I made the easier decision and I ignored it, and it had become a habit for me to deal with teasing. It had absolutely zero effect on this fat ass. Since my body was not in good shape, I never got to enjoy the experience of teens. Then one day I found a super strategic approach to losing weight with no hard work at all. And it only took me 4 months to go from 87 kg to 54 kg. And now I would like to share the tried and true method for assisting anyone who is struggling with excess weight. Well, quite relatable story, right? So now moving on to the last step, which is the offer. So as of now, we have hooked our audience, then we have told them a story that connects and relates to them on an even deeper emotional level. And one more most important thing that you have to keep in mind, your story must reflect that you have been there where your customers are, right? So now it's time to give them an offer, something that they need to take action on, and it could be something like sign up for a newsletter, or it could be like webinar, course, or it could be anything. Like it also could be selling your product and services as well. So now the length of your offer depends upon how much money you are asking for. It can be short if it's for free, and if it's about buying something for money, then you could mention more details to get people to connect with you. So let's take an example. Let's say your target audience is once again the people who want to lose weight. Then the offer could be, if you want to lose weight quickly, I will gladly show you how for free. You just simply click on the link below and enter your email address to register for a 1 hour free webinar, and then I will show you how I lose 35 kilo in less than 6 months after I figured out the system, and it's completely free. So book your seat right now. Fantastic. So now if you put all these tactics into your email marketing strategy, you will have a highly converting email with a hook, a story, and an offer, right? So now if you can make sure that your emails include all these three steps, you will see an instant boost on your conversion percentage. And this is for sure, my friend. This is absolutely for sure. So now that you know how to create amazing emails, and probably in the next lecture I'm gonna share with you a few email marketing templates which are designed by all of the SSM officials so that you can achieve more by doing less work. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.